Hi guys, so we're at Thorpe Gates level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Wow, that's really good. Strange. That one over there, the one that bangs. Right, time is 14:51 on Saturday the 28th of May 2016. And this is for our 14:50 2 Romeo 94 Aviva Rail North service from Hull to York.
That was funny.
What was?
The alarm.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what happens when you don't come over and listen under the alarm there, isn't it? A good thing that thing wasn't touched. A good thing this isn't a touch sensitive barrier.
Yeah, that alarm doesn't sound to work. I didn't hear it. And that alarm was pointing directly at it. And because that alarm didn't seem to work, I mainly heard that one. Did you hear how it started off normal, like like that? It kind of went normal, then skipped, and then went.
I know I've got it when I do that.
What?
I know I've got it when I do that. And when I have my phone out of my pocket a tiny bit like that, I know I've got it.
This kind of reminds me of a crossing where the barriers have properly level. See, that is about iPad height for a BCD. Or maybe about here.
I hold my iPad.
Huh?
I hold my iPad when I'm doing it.
Do you want to do that?
Look, why is there taped a screw in there? It will fall out if you untaped it. I don't know what that's that. That's that fall out.
Jeff,
Screw.
do you
Yes?
want to do a camera swap?
No. I forgot about that. I forgot about that. But I'm not giving you my iPad as I filmed all day on this. It'll be a hassle for me. Next trip we'll do it. I'll lend you my iPad.
It will only be for one video, I promise.
No, I don't. My iPad. Next time I'll let you film my iPad, okay?
No, what a camera swap is where
I know what a camera swap is. When I film
yours,
on yours and I film on that, you film on this.
Yeah, and then
But
basically.
no, I'm not letting you film on my iPad today. I've already filmed on all this.
And then you upload each of us videos to each of us channels. So then the video I would have taken on that would have gone on your channel, and then this.
Oh, there she is. We've got. I knew York was that way. 158,910. 158,910 to York, and I knew it was that way. Please go up. No, we're staying. I think.
Yeah. Well, at least the other alarm didn't work.
Didn't.
I didn't hear it at all. I only heard that one freak out.
Staying.
Thorpe Gates, that is really rare. If you were to go with another, if you were to go to another level like that.
Do you reckon that Thorpe Hall has it?
What?
Do you reckon Thorpe Hall has it?
I don't think it does.
Thorpe Hall.
This string's nice and
Let's
tight.
home Thorpe the sat nav.
Let's home load.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. That string's tight-ish.
I really thought that was really funny. But I said it at home because Paul said let's load the sat nav, and let's home load the sat nav. I don't call it comedy.
Oh, jokes. That would be a good BCD.
I don't.
Ah. Unless they have a glitch and it's just stuck down. Really?
Here she is.
Here she is.
We've got 185,125. 185,125 to Hull, and
See the track?
what? Don't say we're triple staying as well. Yeah, we're triple staying. And we stay for our 14:56 1 key to 16 First Japan Express service from Manchester Piccadilly to Hull. Quite a few vehicles. Last week we finished at 5 o'clock, didn't we, Adam? Last week we finished at 5 o'clock, didn't we? It's only 2 o'clock. No, it's nearly 3 o'clock, sorry. Gone for nearly 6 minutes of this closure. If it ever comes, of course. Is it? Oh, it's a 144, Adam. We got. I know it's not. 144009. 144009 to Huddersfield and. Go on then. We're not quadruple staying, are we? Now what could we be staying for? Oh yeah, the 57 1 kilo 16 first responder express service from Manchester Piccadilly to Hull. Four closures, 4 trains in 1 closure. That's pretty different. Can't see it yet. Pardon? I don't know. Does it say what? On what?
On the barrier label.
Yes, it does. Come on then, flipping hat. I'm coming on your side just in case I don't get back over.
Double yellow over there. Behind the cyclist here. Yeah, look, the thing is really loose and wobbly. Yeah, Joe, do you think we will be able to catch another train here if it goes up?
Yes.
Good.
If this train ever flipping comes though.
Berwick stayed
It's
on.
only 10 minutes.
I was literally just about to say Berwick stayed on for 10 minutes. Wait, this one stayed on for 10 minutes. Berwick stayed on for 20 minutes once.
The signal's on double amber over there.
Double yellow!
Whatever.
They say amber in front of it. Network office and like say the signal's amber.
What they do?
No, it's yellow. If you want to work for Network Rail and be a train driver, you need to say yellow. I'm not even joking, you would need to say yellow.
Oh, this is going to be a paint up like this is.
You can just trim it into little sections, you know.
I'll just upload 2 parts if it goes over 15 minutes. Flipping hell is it? It could have gone up.
Yeah, but it's an OD crossing. If the sensors detect that, maybe some. Are you sure there's any other trains?
There is, yes.
Do you want me to call the signalman?
No.
No, the barrier's been down for 10 minutes.
So? There's a train coming, I know there is.
Look, there's no point of flipping being down for 10 minutes. It could have gone up and straight back down. And then we could have got, like, what, 5 videos by now, Joe? Look at all the traffic. It's just...
There she is. We've got 158905. 158905 to Hull, which is for your 1504 to M11 Northern River on North Service from York to Hull, and they go.
Finally!
Thanks guys, next video.